Okay, it was 73 degrees inside the building, and I had to set it to 75 to make it come on. So I just turned it on for the video. I'm gonna turn it right off. This is the 2008 Carrier Performance Series 3-ton heat pump running in heat mode. And that's the one for the first floor. You can feel the suction line starting to get hot. Can't really see it that well. More heat pumps up there. It's like 56 degrees right now. So we're not going to get a defrost cycle tonight, but at least thought I'd fire it up in heat mode, get a video of that. I don't think any of these are going to be running. I don't know, is one of them running? Most of the people here might have gone home for the night. So most of these probably are not going to be running. That's the little 2-ton unit right there. Yeah, none of them are running. And every unit in this courtyard is a performance series except for that one right there. There's one comfort series. Yeah, it is not that cold out compared to how cold it has been. Let's go see if any of the other older units in the other courtyard are running before we go inside. Had my camera case in there so I didn't lock myself out, but I'll just go back in the front door. So yeah, that is the Performance Series heat pump running in heat mode. It's actually pretty quiet. Alright. I doubt any of the other units are going to be running, but it's worth a look. Oh, I hear one of them running. Don't know if it's in cool mode or heat mode, but I hear something running. And it is, I don't think it's anywhere near cold enough to get a defrost cycle. Yeah, something's running back here. Hope it's a round one. It might just be. Yeah, something's definitely running. There's that noisy TECH2000 silencer system. I don't know what the hell that is running. Something's definitely running though. That would be a TECH2000. And I think it's running in cool mode. Yeah, that's running in cool mode. What year is this? Read it. Yeah, that's a TECH2000. None of these other ones are running. Round ones. More TECH2000s. Yeah, it's just not cold enough to justify turning on the heat. And as you saw, that one place back there still has the air conditioning on. So yeah, no one has their heat pumps on yet. Too early. Or too warm. That's a pain right there. And a round one and another TECH2000. I don't think one of these is running. Got dark quicker than I thought it would. round one, Duquesne. That one TECH2000 is the only one that's running. Alright. We've only been going for not even 3 minutes. There's some TECH2000s over there. There's some TECH2000s and a York Affinity right there next to that beautiful full moon. And another TECH2000. There's two TECH2000s, two Performance Series heat pumps and a York heat pump. So 2 Carrier Performance Series and a York Affinity Series right there. There might even be more back there, but I can't tell. Is one of those running? I can't tell. Sure looks pretty illuminated by the sunset. And that's just the one unit I turned on a few minutes ago. Yeah, I'm probably going to turn that right back off because it's plenty warm inside the building. Alright, I'm just going to leave my camera right here and shut it down. Alright, and it just shut off. You can hear the refrigerant hissing through the lines. Didn't bring my flashlight with me. So yeah, that is the 2008 Carrier Performance Series 3-ton heat pump. Start up and shut down in heat mode. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.